Iran and the United States have had decades of political tensions. Their military capabilities, strategies, and technologies are very different. The United States has one of the world's largest defense forces, with advanced aircraft, naval power, satellites, and global military infrastructure. Iran's military focuses on regional defense, missile technology, drones, and asymmetric capabilities. The U.S. operates advanced aircraft like the F-35 and F-22, while Iran relies on a mix of older aircraft and locally developed systems.
The U.S. Navy operates powerful aircraft carriers and advanced warships, while Iran focuses heavily on coastal defense and smaller naval platforms.
Missile technology plays an important role in Iran's defense strategy, while the U.S. uses advanced air defense and precision systems. Drones have become a major part of modern military technology, used for surveillance and intelligence missions. Modern conflicts also involve cyber technology, satellites, and information systems beyond traditional weapons. The U.S. emphasizes advanced technology and global reach, while Iran focuses on regional defense strategies and deterrence. Relations between Iran and the U.S. have been tense for decades due to political disagreements, regional issues, and security concerns. Military power today depends not only on weapons, but also on technology, economy, training, and strategy. Comparing militaries helps us understand technology and strategy. But real-world conflicts are complex and unpredictable.